Page 20, Bagatelle. 3/8 time, well that's different. No sharps or flats, we're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale. But this 3/8 time, it just means an eighth note gets a count. So the dotted quarter note, well there's 3 eighth notes in a dotted quarter note. So it means the dotted quarter note gets 3 counts. So let's check fingering and rhythm and notes and all that junk. In the right hand, we're starting here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then reach down, second finger. 2. We just changed hand positions. Isn't that nice? And you'd repeat that. However, for now, let's go on. And during the rest, you just come up one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And measure 13, you're reaching up here. You come up. 2, 3, 1, 2. Each time you get these rests, gives you a chance to move. Either way, I mean, it's little finger. 1, 2, 3. Reach down with the thumb. 1, 2, 3. We changed hand positions again. We keep changing, don't we? In the left hand, you have these broken chords. 1, 2, now they're saying 2, 4 here. The reason is because the third measure we want this. So we're going from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I'm just kind of transferring weight from finger to finger here. I'm not holding it still and try and use the fingers to do this. Just walk on the piano on your fingers. Walk gently though. Don't put a lot of weight on it, just a little bit. It doesn't take much weight to push a note down. And then measure 7, you just reach down here. 4, 2 then for measure 8. And then going on here, we've had all this before. Measure 13, C sharp and an A. And then again, D minor. I'm still using 4, 2 on this. And then come down. And measure 19, you're here, and then 20, you're here, and then 21, you come up. Just scrunch up. And then here, the last 2 measures. It's an F and 2, 4, 4, 2 here. Remember that F? That's above 2 ledger lines above it. Well, 1 ledger line is C, 2 ledger lines is an E, and go up 1 more, it's an F. Memorize that note, you're going to need to know it. And then a C and an E. Put the hands together here. So forth. Go down to measure 13. This is where things are happening. You're here. Right when I play that E, I come up. So, then once you can do all of that, and there are no hesitations anywhere, the beat needs to be steady. It can be slow, but it needs to be steady. Then we can add the slurs. The left hand just connected except for the rests. On the right hand, you have slurs. Up here, but not here. Of course, both hands get a rest. You lift up there, huh? So make sure you're lifting up between the slurs and the rest and all that. Then the dynamics, well, moderately soft, that's the right hand. Whatever you think sort of soft is. The left hand needs to be very soft. It's too easy when we do things on piano or most anything else, when we're busy, like all these eighth notes, we tend to just automatically play them louder. We just do it because we're focused on them, we're thinking about them. So we have to fight that. We want to keep the left hand way soft. We want to hear the right hand. And then on measure 9, you're moderately loud. The left hand's still soft. And on measure 13, there's a crescendo, but you don't get loud until 4 measures later. So you got 4 measures to go from moderately loud to loud. Yeah, there's not that much difference between them. So it might be like 2 measures at a time. So measures 13 and 14, you stay in the vicinity of moderately loud. You don't get much louder. Come up a little bit. Now you're loud. And the measure 19, you echo that, it's soft. And then you end it loud. You have to experiment with these dynamics, and you got to get to know it well enough that you can feel the dynamics. Then on top of that, it's vivace. Oh, you just got to love it. Vivace is faster than allegro, but it's not the fastest there is. So it's the feel of it. So whatever that is, and then you make everything else do that. It's got to be your vivace, not mine. So you decide on accuracy. It's got to be accurate. These need to be even. Otherwise, you get. So make these even. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're almost feeling this in 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Type thing. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, but we will do the repeats, because you see all these repeats strung all over everywhere. So I'll give us 3 counts, 3 eighth note counts, because an eighth note gets a count. And let's try it. 1, ready, go. Repeat. Rest. Rest. 2, repeat.